This video explains how to test whether a string contains letters from the alphabet using the Python programming language. So without much talk, let's dive into the Python code. As a first step for this tutorial, we need to create an example character string, as you can see in the first line of code. So after running this line of code, a new data object called myString1 is created. And as you can see, this string contains certain numbers and 2 letters from the alphabet. So by having a look at this string, we already know that this string contains letters from the alphabet. However, if we want to check that in a more systematic way, we can use the any and c.isalpha functions, as you can see in the second line of code. And then after running this line of code, a new logical indicator is returned as output below the code box. And as you can see, this logical indicator tells us that there are letters from the alphabet in our string. Let's assume that we have a character string without any letters in the alphabet, as you can see in the third line of code. So in this line of code, we are creating another string object, which is called myString2, and this string contains only numbers. Now, if we apply the same syntax as in the second line of this tutorial to our new string, as you can see in the fourth code box, then the logical indicator false is returned, which tells us that this character string does not contain any letters from the alphabet. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.